In this video, we'll learn about preventing injuries. Practicing yoga is as safe as walking. That being said, injuries are still possible and you should take care to avoid them. Start by following a few basic rules. Don't practice yoga on a full stomach and avoid alcohol. Remain hydrated at all times. Every yoga class should begin with warm-up exercises. If yours does not, look into another class. As we've discussed, the right teacher makes a tremendous difference and can reduce your chances of injury. Certified teachers undergo up to 500 hours of training to qualify for certification. Make sure you are dealing with a qualified teacher. Don't try to do poses for which you aren't ready. This can cause severe muscle strain. Attempting poses for which you are unprepared is one of the leading causes of yoga injuries. Learn your body's limitations and respect them. You make the decision how far to stretch, not your teacher. You may be feeling more agile on certain days than others. If you are having a bad day, accept it and don't attempt difficult poses that may have been possible at other times. Listen to your body. Certain areas of the body, such as neck, lower back, knees, and hamstrings, are particularly vulnerable to injuries. Take care with any poses involving those body parts. It is easy to become lightheaded when changing poses, so be sure to remain hydrated at all times. Most yoga poses can be modified by using blocks or towels. Don't hesitate to use these modifications until your body is able to create the poses more effortlessly. Don't begin yoga by jumping into risky poses, such as a headstand. This can cause serious neck injury. Work your way up to the more difficult poses.